Hello everyone, welcome to Current Affair Multiple Choice Questions class. So I have decided from today onwards that I will be discussing the current affair in a form of questions. I have done this because the class will be more interesting and at the same point and on the same day I will be discussing the questions also. So let's start our class. The first question is Piyush Goyal participated in the second extraordinary G20 virtual trade and investment ministerial meeting on COVID 19. The conference was chaired by which country? So, the second extraordinary G20 virtual trade and investment meeting held at under the presidency of Saudi Arabia. Okay, so the answer will be A. From Indian side, Piyush Goyal has participated. Okay, let us move to our next question. S. Jaishankar, External Affairs Minister, represented India in the Foreign Minister meeting of Shanghai Cooperation Organization. Which country is said to host the SCO Summit 2020? The answer is Russia is set to host this summit. In this summit, they have discussed about the COVID-19 pandemic. They have discussed about the business prospects and how to fight this COVID-19 pandemic. Okay, this meeting was led by Defense Minister of Russia, St. Petersburg. Okay, let us move to our next question. Robert Azevedo has recently announced to step down as the Director General of which body? So, as if you are updated, you would know that this answer is World Trade Organization. Headquarters of W2A is in Geneva, Switzerland. Okay. Let us move to our next question. So, Roberto Azevedo is the secretary, that is the Director General of World Trade Organization. He stepped down, means 1 year term is left for him, but he stepped down on some medical ailments. He was saying that he has some medical problems, health problems. Okay, let us move to our next question. When do we observe International Day of Families? So, International Day of Families is celebrated on 15th of May. Okay, it is celebrated and proclaimed by United Nations. The theme is families, families in development, Copenhagen and Beijing plus 25. So the theme of International Day of Families is Families in Development, Copenhagen and Beijing plus 25. Okay, please keep in mind, very important for examination. Our next question is Endangered Species Day is an annual event taking place on 3rd Friday of May. So on this month it took on 15th of May. Okay, so keep in mind, important for examination. Next question is Ministry of Tribal Affairs partnered with which company to launch the GOAL program to empower tribal youth through digital mode in this pandemic crisis? The answer is Facebook. The full form of GOAL is Going Online as Leaders. Okay, GOAL program was launched to train tribal youths. Okay, tribal youth has lot of talents, so it has partnered with Facebook. 1 month training will be given to 5,000 youth so that they can also participate in nation building. Okay, very important, very important for examination. The full form of GOAL is Going Online as Leaders. Keep in mind. How much amount has been approved by World Bank for India to support India COVID-19 Social Protection Response Program? The answer is 1 billion is being supported by World Bank to India to fight COVID-19. India has been getting this loan to make medical arrangements to provide food to the poor. Okay, let us move to our next question. The MoneyGram payment system has tied up with which Indian bank to offer direct to bank account credit option for customers in India? So they have tied up with Federal Bank. The news is MoneyGram has tied up with Federal Bank because to get bank account credit option. Okay, so they will have a credit option in the bank account. NRIs which are working in the foreign countries will be able to send money at very faster speed to India through this MoneyGram payment system. Okay, very important news. Let us move to our next question. Ministry of Finance has announced to extend its Operation Green scheme for tomatoes, onion and potatoes to all fruit and vegetable. How much amount has been allocated for this purpose in economic support package? As we all know, the budget has been released. So in this Operation Green, 500 crore is 500. Answer is none, because 500 crore has been released for this. Okay, and the main topic is Operation Green. Okay, extend is Operation Green scheme. So I want to underline, but I can't do it. Okay, you can see in the question, Operation Green scheme for tomatoes, onion, potatoes to all fruits and vegetable. So for this, the government is also giving 50% subsidy on transportation from surplus to deficient markets. Okay, 50% subsidy on storage also. It is a pilot project launched for 6 months and government is spending 500 crore rupees. A very important question. I will also come with a budget session to make this clear. Moreover, just keep in mind that 500 crore has been released for Operation Green schemes. Okay, and that in that scheme we have fruits and vegetables. Okay, let us move to our next question. The government has announced to set up Animal Husbandry Infrastructure Development Fund to support private investment in dairy processing. How much amount has been allocated to the fund? The answer is 15,000 crore has been allocated in this fund to promote the dairy products. Especially the government want the private sector more and more to participate in these dairy products. Okay, and this 15,000 crore has been allocated. So thank you very much for watching the session. I hope you like the session. Please like and subscribe it, share it with your friends. Thank you for watching.